Hey folks, Patrick coming back again with another 2016-17 hockey box break. This will be number 3. I'm going to break this open and see what we get out of it. All right, so let's get breaking. Hopefully we can get another big hit. Look for Laine or Matthews. Another box that I'm going to break after this, so that'll be number 4. All right, we got 18 packs. Once again, you can go to NMD Box Breaks on Facebook or NMD Box Breaks on eBay and see if I'm selling any cards. And just remind you about the Upper Deck Bounty Program. If you collect all the Spectrum cards, all 3 levels, you can get the first 50. You can only get you received the 100 card of Austin Matthews and a 100 card gold parallel Spectrum FX set. So that's you'll see them coming out of the packs. I think usually 1 or 2 a box. So you can find that out at upperdeckbounty.com. They'll give you more information. All right, so I got my we got a Patrik Laine. See if I can get focused. There we go. Patrik Laine season highlights. Quick Panarin. We got a young gun of Roman Lubinov. Roman Lubinov. Lubinov for the Philadelphia Flyers. Next pack. Hoodla, Scheifele, Joe Thornton, season highlights. Joe Thornton for the Sharks. Base and base. Hopefully we get 3 autographs. I've been getting 2. Next pack. Oh, we got a future watch. We'll put that to the back. Thomas Tatar, Krejci, Stone, Raquel, and Mark McNeil. Mark McNeil for the Chicago Blackhawks. Future Watch Auto. Not bad. Usually they come back to back. Whoa, I don't even know what that is. Henrique, Kadri, Hall, whoa, Global, Peter Bondra. Global Choreography, Peter Bondra. I don't think it's numbered. See on the back. Slovakia. Pretty nice. Let's see if we can focus this in. There we go. Peter Bondra. Pretty nice card. I saw the colors at the bottom. I thought it was in the Morgan, right? Oh, Young Gun Acetate. Marcus Mutavara. And this camera. Marcus Mutavara. Young Gun Acetate. So that's 3 big hits. Acetates are tough to come by. We got an update of Sam Gagner. And a base card. Autograph, Young Gun Acetate, and a global choreography. Niederreiter, Anisimov. We got a Patrick Kane. Silver Skates. I don't know why this camera is really bad today. Spooner. I wish these cameras. Tricidal. Carey Price Moments. Base cards. We got Duclair, Lindquist, Victor Stolberg, update, Carolina, next pack, Koivu, Yaramir, Authentic Moments. I don't consider those hits. I just the ones with the skates and the autographs and the Young Guns. We got a Spectrum. Put on the back. See what it is. McKinnon, Vodka, Schneider, and we got a Ryan Getzlaff. Ryan Getzlaff of the Anaheim Ducks. Gotta find that Young Gun. Do a recap right after. We got 7 packs left. See what we get. Another Future Watch. Monahan, Zibanejad, Fabry, Burns. New York Islander, Matthew Barzal. Matthew Barzal for the Islanders. out of $9.99. So that's 3 autographs, an acetate and a Young Gun. That's pretty nice. Next card. We got Carter Hutton update. Giroux, Sedin. We got a William Nylander. William Nylander. Silver Skates for the Maple Leafs. 4 more packs. I don't know if we get anything good, but got 3 autographs already. Lori Korakowski. Lori Korakowski. Update. 3 more packs. Once again, I'll list these on Facebook. NMD Box Breaks. You can go to eBay, NMD Box Breaks. Connor McDavid. Mike Hoffman. Jimmy Vesey for the Rangers. Two more packs. You can subscribe to my channel on YouTube, subscribe to the groups, NMD Box Breaks, subscribe them, and so I'm going to have a lot of breaks coming up. Baseball, basketball, hockey, football. Another update, Mike Condon. Ottawa. And last pack of this box. Lucic, Gostafia. We got Anthony Mantha. Anthony Mantha of Detroit Red Wings. Base and base. So let's see what we got here. Quick recap. All these updates of authentic moments. Not consider them hits. We got a Silver Skates, Anthony Mantha. William Nylander. Autograph Matthew Barzal for the Islanders. Future Watch to $9.99. We got a Young Gun, Roman Lubomov for the Flyers. We got a Spectrum, Ryan Getzlaf, Patrick Kane. We got an acetate Young Gun, Marcus Nudavara. Young Gun acetate. Global Choreography. Am I even saying that right? Yeah. Choreography. Peter Bondra. There we go. Peter Bondra of the Washington Capitals. And Mark McNeil, Future Watch Auto for $9.99 for the Blackhawks. All right, so thank you for that one, and I'll come back to you, upload this to YouTube, and it's already on YouTube, and I will come back with another break of SP Authentic 2016-17. Thank you, and talk to you soon. Remember, subscribe to NMD Box Breaks on YouTube and NMD Box Breaks on Facebook. All right, thank you.